Hey guys, and welcome back to Inside Investing. And yes, you've pressed on the right video because today we're going to be expanding our ETF portfolio and we're going to be buying more S&P 500 ETF shares. Let's go. Hey guys, and welcome back. And today, as mentioned, we're going to be buying more S&P 500 stocks because, well, we already have a few shares of S&P 500, but we honestly want more of these shares because, yeah, it's a very well-known, a very famous ETF. It covers a lot of the largest US-focused stocks. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly how you can buy more S&P 500 shares. We're going to show you step by step. It's going to be very detailed, but honestly also very easy because it's just very easy to buy more S&P 500 shares. And we're going to showcase that to you. I've opened our DEGIRO account. This is the broker that we use, the DEGIRO. And this is going to be the account on which we're going to be buying more S&P 500. If you want to see our portfolio grow, because honestly we have been growing over the last year, then please subscribe, because then you can see how our portfolio is doing. We've actually also done just very recently a new portfolio update. So if you want to see that, then also click on that video on our channel as well. But as mentioned, today we're going to be buying more S&P 500 shares. As you see on top of the screen, we already have made a deposit. So we've deposited 150 euros and we already had 5 euros available to trade. So this should be, hopefully, enough to buy 2 more shares of S&P 500. There's multiple ways to find the S&P 500 ETF that we're going to be buying. It's already in our portfolio, so let's do that. I think that's the easiest step for now. And then we see right here the S&P 500 from Vanguard. So then we're just going to be pressing right on top of that. And then, yeah, of course, we're going to have a quick look at how the ETF is performing. So this is today, okay, from 74.44 to 75.5, but then also back down again. So seems fine, but of course we can have a look at the last 6 months. And then we see, okay, its lowest point was around 69 euros. Highest point was around 80 euros. Ooh, I think that's an all-time high, if I'm not mistaken. And then currently now at 74.59. Then we can have a look at the last year. Yeah, indeed, the 80 euros was the highest point. So I would say that this is a fine price, guys. You know, we do dollar cost averaging, right? So we're buying more shares on a periodic basis, as you see. So we're buying, let's say, on the 51 euro mark, then we buy again on the 52, then we buy a bit on the higher point, so at 55, then at the lower point, 53. So that's dollar cost averaging. You're buying in over a prolonged period, and therefore you're really averaging the cost of each share. And that's also what you can see right here. So you see here the break-even price of the holdings that we have. So we currently own 6 of these shares. So our break-even price is 71 euros and 75 cents. So if it would be above this, that means that we've made a little bit of gain. So that's honestly quite nice. So as you see here, you can see the total profit, which is getting close to the 20 euro mark. So that's the break-even price. This is sort of calculated the total cost of the points in time when we bought these 6 shares. So this actually shows how dollar cost averaging is working because we've bought those 6 in separate points in time. So that's actually great to see how that's working out. So this is the S&P 500. That's what we're going to be buying. So what are we going to be doing? Well, it's fairly easy, I would say. We're going to press this buy button. Then we get this screen on the right. As mentioned, yeah, we want to buy 2 of these shares. And then let's see, we're going to enter 74. It's currently being traded at around 6. Yeah, we can do it at 6, 7 because I just mainly directly want the order to go through. So I think we are a little bit above the current price. That should be fine. You see also there the ask price. So yeah, I think with 6, 7 we should be fine. That means that it should directly be executed, which is very nice. So let's press the place order button. Then here we go. Here we see the summary of what we're going to be buying. So we see the total order amount 149 euros. Well, we've got enough money available to trade. the current bid and ask price, so that should also be perfectly fine. And then the estimated DEGIRO fees, and that's perfect, guys. We just have €0 of fees, and that's great. And that's because this is part of the commission-free list of DEGIRO. They have a full list on their website. If you want us to, by the way, showcase that, then please leave that in the comments down below. And by the way, if you haven't done so already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well, because then you're going to be updated on how our portfolio is growing in the future as well. So this is what we're going to be doing. So this all looks fine for me. So I'm going to say confirm. Boom, it's executed. That was very quick, guys. You see, we already have a quantity of 8, so it went that quick, right? So we made the booking, we booked the order, and boom, it directly gets executed. And there we are. We now own 8 shares of the S&P 500 instead of 6. So that's honestly great to see, guys. This is what we want. And then that's too bad that we currently don't have S&P 500 in here for the dividends, because yes, the S&P 500 does also, from Vanguard, does also pay out a dividend once in a while. Check out our different video that we've done on the dividends. And I think honestly this was it, guys. It was very short, very easy, but this is what we wanted to show you today. We have actually already expanded our portfolio now. So as you see, we're getting close to the 2K mark. I think something that's very achievable for most of the investors. If you want to see more of these types of videos, then please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment down below what shares you're going to be buying next. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Let's go.